Hi, this is Rolf Versluis with Adcap Network Systems. I have a quick update today on our Premiernet support services. We've been doing this since 2007, and we've got quite a few customers that rely on our Premiernet team to assist them in all sorts of different solutions like voice systems and network and servers and storage and virtualization. We're updating it a little bit, not really changing what we're doing, but we're kind of changing how we're explaining what we're doing. And you'll see this on our website, and you'll see this in our Premiernet brochures and how we talk about it. So I just wanted to give you all a quick update on it. So first of all, what is Premiernet? Well, our Premiernet is an extension of your IT team. There's a lot of different applications and products and configurations and things like that that we do as part of our network infrastructure solutions, that there's not enough work for IT organizations to have someone on staff all the time that's an expert in this. So they work with our Premiernet team as an extension of their IT team, so that we can, anytime that they want a change or there's a problem, we just step in and start working on it just like a member of their team would be. So our Premiernet includes an assessment of the network, both when we first bring a customer on board and on an ongoing basis. We analyze how things are set up and configured and make recommendations. We monitor. So we have our monitoring system that we keep track of everything that's out there and what its performance statistics are, as well as we make configuration backups, so that if there is a problem like a switch or a router that needs to be replaced or an application that needs to be rebuilt, we have backups of the configuration and setup enabled to do that. We provide assistance. This is probably the most used part of it. So we have a service level agreement, or we operate 24/7, 365. So if a customer of ours needs assistance, they can call in and get some help. They can send an email. They can open up a ticket online on our webpage, and basically just say, hey, I've got a problem, something's not working right, and we have all the information and the permission to be able to step in and start helping them right away. So a lot of our customers find that that's valuable. We do periodic reporting, so we can give folks a review of what we've done for them and how their systems are doing. We've got a local team. So we've tried a few different ways of doing this in the past. We found that the best way to do it is to have our local team here in Alpharetta, Georgia, provide the assistance to our customers. And it provides longer term. There's interaction between our deployment and design engineers and the rest of the operations organizations to the customer. We're also able to escalate to our deployment team if we get busy, or if there's especially complex teams. But we've got a good group of local folks here in our Network Operations Center that provide this service to people. And it's on a service level agreement. So if there's something that's really a problem, it's urgent, we'll get working on it within an hour. That's our high level service agreement. And we do 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, and then scheduled services, because not everything's an emergency. So within this, what we're talking about that's a little bit new is we're going to say we've got Premiernet Network, Premiernet Voice, Premiernet Security, Premiernet Data Center, and Premiernet Service Agreements. Now these first four are pretty straightforward. These are the same type of solutions that we provide to our customers. We provide network assessments and upgrades, and we support them. Same thing on all the voice and video and collaboration solutions that we put together. The network, security, and the data center. In this case, it refers not to the power or to the cabling, but to the server, storage, and virtualization infrastructure. Now, as the industry is changing, we're finding that we're working with our customers more and more on different service agreements, where they pay either on an annual basis or a monthly basis, and they need assistance with those service agreements. And so the service agreements that's included as part of this, you see I got these broken out. Our vendor product maintenance. If you're working with a Cisco, that's known as SmartNet. If you're working with HP, those are known as Care Packs. But in order to make sure that all the products are covered and that all the right levels of coverage are provided for the different products in our customers' network, we actually have specialists who have been doing this for years that that work with our customers to do this. And with Cisco specifically, with SmartNet Total Care, with everybody now looking to put in place the collector and the portal, this is an even bigger part of what we're looking to do and are doing with our customers. WAN circuits. So we don't resell circuits like the Metro E or the MPLS or voice circuits or SIP trunks or things like that, but we're very familiar with them because we integrate those all into the different solutions that we work with. So as part of our Premiernet service, we're monitoring those and providing information on whether it's when it's up or it's down, or other types of information that our customers are interested in. And same thing with cloud applications. As there's more cloud applications out there, folks need assistance in the configuration of those cloud applications. Some of the ones that we work with quite a bit right now are the Cisco Meraki and WebEx and Spark and Jabber, and also the Cisco Cloud Security. So those are just some of them. I'm sure there's going to be more in the future. So, and then everything else, it's pretty straightforward. You know, network is local area network, wireless local area network, and the wider network like the routers and things like that. Voice includes voice, video, and collaboration applications. Data center, server storage, virtualization, and security is both network edge security and then internal network security. Example of a network edge security is firewalls and intrusion prevention systems. Internal network security might be data center firewalls and identity services engine from Cisco, and then endpoint security like the FireAmp product that goes on servers and on desktops and things like that. So anyway, that's just a quick update on our Adcap Premiernet services. You're going to start hearing more about the different service packages that you can get under Premiernet, so we're not just treating it as we take care of everything that we deal with. We break it out. You can, you know, if your concern is that you just need a little bit of assistance on security, well, you can get the Premiernet security package from us. If you need assistance on your service agreements, you know, our expertise on that, we're happy to do any of the service agreement elements with you. And this is all done in an annual contract, and we are happy to explain what it is that we'll specifically do, what the service level agreements are, and of course what the price is. So if you have any questions on this, please contact us. We'd love to help y'all out. Within our areas of expertise, we feel that we're pretty good from both an engineering and a services side. And again, this is Rolf Versluis with Adcap Network Systems and talking about our Premiernet services. Thanks.